By 2050, Europe has embraced a new vision, one built on connection, solidarity and resilience. After the crises of the early century, the European dream was reborn, not through individual wealth, but through collective well-being. Strong European institutions created safety nets for all. Technology became a bridge to a better future, solving problems once thought impossible. Yet with progress came pressure. Urban expansion and industry weighed heavily on ecosystems and rural landscapes. To balance growth and nature, governments introduced eco-taxation, making polluters pay, and championed sustainable infrastructure. Forest conservation became state-driven, supported by large-scale ecosystem service payments. Europe invested heavily in technical solutions, carbon capture, climate adaptation, and resilient urban design. But delayed action on renewables and environmental care left growing vulnerabilities. Climate risks loom, resources tighten. Today, a united Europe moves forward, determined to heal the past and to build a truly sustainable future. The future is still ours to shape together.